Connect with like-minded AHK users in our private chat, helping each other out and sparking ideas that make scripting way more fun. Unlock weekly live sessions totaling 3 hours. Expert guidance, troubleshooting, and interactive learning to make AHK mastery a breeze. We can use AutoHotkey for the action, but also AI can now start kind of filling in the gaps where you have to make decisions, because tasks are easy to automate when when it's clear data, very, non-messy data, standardized data, and structured, and it's easy to write a program for it. When it's not that, that's where usually we have a human. We design it where a human makes the decision, AutoHotkey does the action, takes care of the action. But more and more, AI now is enabling us to let AI kind of figure out what should be done, and then use another language for the action. And soon it'll just all be AI doing everything, right? Um, but yeah, it's really wild. Geek Dude was talking about genuine speed, solvable using a better yeah. Which is also why, again, AutoHotkey is a great beta. Let me get this early version out just to see if the concept will work. And then if you have the volume behind it, you can still, it's so fast to develop in, right? You get the beta version going, and oh, is it working? Yes, great. Now let's go, oh, we need to do millions of them. Okay, let's port it to another language, because we proved out it works. Yeah, I'm with you.
On that topic, actually, once you have an AutoHotkey script, telling AI to go ahead and convert it to a different language, it usually is a good is gives you good code. As Geek was just saying, like, it is crazy how good or average, I would say, C++ code it can give you, which is usually working code, right? So saying, okay, I have this AutoHotkey script converted to Python or converted to Go or converted to C++ might give you better results than saying, oh, I want a program that does this, and that, and go ahead and write it, because it doesn't have to think. It just has to translate, basically.
Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible.